Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today's review is about a supplement that's been getting a lot of attention, NeuroQuiet. If you've been dealing with that annoying ringing in your ears or just feeling like your focus and clarity aren't where they should be, this might be something you'll want to hear about. So let's dive in, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description for more details. First off, let me tell you what NeuroQuiet is all about. It's a natural supplement designed to support your hearing and mental clarity. The idea is that it works on two fronts, helping reduce discomfort like ringing in the ears while also enhancing your focus and sense of calm. It's not just a one-trick pony, it's formulated to tackle both hearing health and cognitive performance at the same time, which I think is pretty interesting. What caught my attention were the ingredients. I won't bore you with every detail, but here's what stood out to me. It's got alpha GPC, which is great for brain health. It helps with focus, memory, and learning. There's GABA, which is fantastic for stress and keeping you calm, and L-DOPA, which supports dopamine levels. That's your feel-good chemical, so you stay focused and peaceful. There are other ingredients like Mumio, which boosts energy, and L-arginine, which improves blood flow to your brain and ears. All in all, it seems like the formula is designed with a lot of thought behind it. Now, does it work? That's the big question, right? From what I've learned and from user reviews, people seem to notice a real difference, especially when it comes to reducing that constant ringing in their ears and improving focus. But, and this is important, it's not magic. It's a supplement. So it works best when you stick with it and pair it with healthy habits like staying hydrated and managing stress. If you're expecting overnight results, this might not be for you. But if you're willing to give it time, it seems like it could be a great addition to your routine. One thing I really appreciate is that it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That's a huge plus for me because it shows the company stands behind their product. If you try it and don't feel like it's helping, you can get a full refund even if the bottles are empty. That kind of guarantee makes it feel like there's no risk in giving it a shot. I do want to mention that NeuroQuiet is only available through the official website. That's the only place to get the real deal. So don't be tempted by knockoffs or sketchy online sellers. I've linked the official site in the description if you want to check it out. So, my overall thoughts? NeuroQuiet looks like a solid choice if you're dealing with tinnitus or feeling like your mental sharpness isn't quite there. It's not a replacement for medical advice, of course, but it's a natural option that could make a real difference for a lot of people. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't, but you're curious, check out the link below to learn more and get a special discount. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.